Who told you that Africa will never develop? Africa will develop, but it needs minds, it needs cooperation, it needs unity, it needs zealous people, humanitarian Africans, not humanitarian Europeans, but it needs humanitarian Africans who are going to come together and say, no, we are tired. But people are not tired. They still want to swim on the roads instead of driving on the roads. They are tired. When they want the cars swim. The cars swim, the people swim. What are we doing? What are we doing? What's our goal? It's like our focus. Whoever is in power, know that I'm short-lived. Therefore, plans for a short term. You must have a bigger plan, a mega plan to change this Africa. And it starts with our communities. If we can't make our lords look nice for ourselves, and we are focusing that we are borrowing money every day, and we think that we are going to change the world, and change Africa, we are leaving out unity. Unity is power. If we can't come together, we are not going anywhere. Africans, we must style up, we must see far, we must be focused, we must not sleep, we must not have nightmares. We must keep eyes open. We must not snore. We must wake up. That we have decided not to look at what we really need. We are taking matters personal, starting from the leadership. Matters are no longer the country matters. They are personal matters, where whoever comes into power is planning for his family. By the time you come into power, your mind must be focusing, looking far on your descendants, on the descendants of the race of the country. You have not come. It's not your family. If you want to control your family, go and plan for your family. But once you take over that seat of the country, you are an MP, whichever position you are, know that you are carrying the country, you are carrying a huge number. You no longer plan the type of food you are going to eat. You are planning for thousands, millions. You are planning for the suffering majority, the voiceless. Get me? What am I meaning? What is the topic of all this? I'm trying to talk about leadership, genuine leadership that is focused based on the service delivery. You can't be sent to buy milk, then you reach there, you buy water, you come with water. You are sent to bring milk. You are sent to be a voice, to plan, strategize. What people need most. We provide people with what they need the most. Health. Most of the time, health, education, employment, opportunities. Market, we create market for them. We scale them. We direct them what is most needed. We make research. We show them what is there on markets, and we direct them to the right. They are basic needs that people need to develop. They don't need you to bring them solo. They can buy it themselves. They don't need you to bring them iron sheets. They can buy them themselves if you give them a good education, give them markets, give them the strategy, the foundation. They can do the race themselves. They don't need you to father them, to papa them, to nurture them.